Hello everyone. Meet again with my channel car, Interior and Exterior. In this video we will discuss about cars 2022 Lexus S. Lexus has given the S a light refresh for 2022, by tweaking the car's headlamps, grille, and wheel designs. Inside, the 8.0 and 12.3-inch infotainment screens have been swapped out for touchscreens of the same size that are moved closer to the driver for easier access. The F Sport trim can now be ordered on the hybrid ES 300h and includes a new dynamic handling package when ordered on the V6-powered ES 350. The ES's suite of driver assistance features, called Lexus Safety System Plus 2.5, now includes pedestrian and cyclist detection, a new system that detects oncoming traffic in intersections, and a tweak to the adaptive cruise control system that slows the vehicle for sharp curves in the road. The Lexus S gives buyers a choice of three powertrains. The ES 250 is powered by a 203 HP 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine and comes standard with all-wheel drive. All ES 350 trims come with a 3.5-liter V6 that generates 302 horsepower and is governed by an 8-speed automatic transmission that sends power to the front wheels. With all ES 350h trims, motivation comes from a hybrid powertrain that provides a net output of 215 horsepower, a continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT, and front-wheel drive or standard. At our test track, the gas-only ES 350 sprinted from a standstill to 60 miles per hour in 6.1 seconds. The all-wheel drive ES 250 and the hybrid ES 350h both made the dash in a more leisurely 8.1 and 8.3 seconds, respectively. This Lexus sedan exhibits the composed handling and forgiving ride quality that's cherished by many luxury car shoppers. For those seeking keener handling, the F Sport trim adds larger wheels and suspension tuning that's more performance-oriented. Even with this upgrade, though, the S is less athletic than competing models such as the BMW 5 Series. With its stylish, asymmetrical dash and high-quality materials, the ES's cabin creates a plush environment for passengers. Both rows offer enough legroom for the long-legged, and the seats provide comfortable support. Notably, the cabin is unfailingly peaceful, even when the S is being driven at highway speeds. Both gas-only and hybrid models provide 17.0 cubic feet of room in the trunk, and this gives the S more cargo space than rivals such as the Volvo S90, 14.0 cubic feet, and Acura TLX, 14.0 cubic feet. Unfortunately, the S isn't available with a folding rear seat. This makes it difficult for this Lexus to accommodate outsized cargo.